What to wear in Bali? When you come to Bali, you'll find tropical heat, sun beaches, shady jungles, and high volcanoes. Usual are not strict dress codes, besides temples and some religious ceremonies. While the weather is mostly hot, it can vary, depending on whether you go to the beachside or mountains, jungles. Bali is approximately 8 degrees south of the equator. There are only two seasons, dry and rainy. Bali has tropical weather, the island is humid all year, but drier on the southern coast. The rainy season usually starts in October and ends in middle of March. During the rainy season, the temperature is still warm and water become more. Bali daytime temperatures can vary from 20 to 33 degrees Celsius or 68-91 degrees Fahrenheit. Average year-round temperature stands at around 26-27 degrees with a humidity level of about 85-90%. If you plan to visit Bali during the rainy season, make sure have a raincoat with you. In mid-March sun is hot, but in the evening, especially on the highlands, the temperature is pleasing. Pack light cotton and loose clothing. Southern coast Bali. The southern coast, Kuta, Seminyak, Canggu and the Bukit Peninsula with Uluwatu, is the most popular destination on the island with beachside. If you are planning to visit these areas, your packing will be easy. Board shorts and tops or tees for the boys and a swimsuits or shorts with a top for the girls. Don't you forget to wear a swimsuit as well. If you plan to surf, wear a top to avoid a sunburn. Also, bring a hat. Northern Highlands Bali. The Northern Highlands, including Ubud, Kintamani and Munduk, are paradise for mountain and jungle lovers. The weather up here is still tropical and the sun will make you sweat all day. However, it might get a little bit colder, especially during the night or when you're driving a scooter. A scarf and a jumper will help. If you are planning to hike some volcanic peaks, bring sneakers or hiking boots, warm clothes. It can be colder at higher elevations like Kintamani or Bajugal, you must have a good jacket. Etiquette for temples and ceremonies. When visiting temples and other religious sites, use common sense and follow local etiquette. Wear a shirt that covers your arms and shoulders. Men and women should also wear a cane, or sarong, a scarf that is wrapped around your waist, like a skirt. If you are planning to attend a local ceremony, women usually wear the traditional kabaya, a beautiful, embroidered sheer cotton blouse that is worn over an ankle-length cane and tied with the help of a sash around your waist. Pull your hair back and you are ready to go. Men should also wear a cane, usually one that is black or brown, tied with a sash. A plain shirt will do as a top. They should also wear the traditional headdress called a yuding. Driving a scooter. When driving around, you'll see that locals drive scooters with long pants and a jacket. Then you'll ask yourself, why? Because it is so hot. The clothing helps protect drivers from scratches and a sunburn. Follow their lead and always wear a helmet too. If you're planning to have a long ride on a busy road, wear sneakers, a long-sleeve t-shirt and a scarf or cloth over your mouth. It will protect you from dust. Drive safely. Water shoes. One thing that might not come to mind when thinking about what to wear in Bali is water shoes. If you plan on spending time hiking around the waterfalls in Bali and going in the water, it is worth it to pick up a pair of cheap water shoes. It will help you protect your feet from sharp rocks. If you want to look how what is it, click link here.